As most of you know, I'm a full-time content creator because God called me to quit my job in March of 2024. So let me show you how I've transformed my office space into a way that honors Him, but also gets that work done. We have this corner of the room. So this is my daughter's prayer board, content schedule, and then they also get rewarded for doing certain things. A lot of my content equipment is here. As you can see, I have that TV mount. I use that to stream my videos. This is my desk area. I just love this desk area. And you probably all seen the video of my prayer corner. I'm in love with this corner, you guys, because it's a really good way to be intimate with God. If you follow me on my podcast, this is my podcasting area. I absolutely love it. And then this is the area I do my daughter's hair. So now that you've seen my office space, let's talk about how I got to this point right here. So you guys, I was a full-time supervisor at a call center for over 14 years. As a single mom, it's not the easiest. And if you've ever worked in a call center environment, you know how overwhelmingly stressful it really is to work with customers, baby. It's not easy. I prayed a prayer in November of 2022. Or was it 2023? 2023. I prayed a prayer in 2023 and I said, God, I lay my career and my finances at your feet. Sure did. Sure did. By December, my TikTok started doing numbers. It was blowing up and I was earning income from TikTok. So out of nervousness, I decided to take that money and save it because I don't come from wealth and spending an absurd amount of money scares me. Period. So what I decided to do was just save the money. In March, God told me to quit my job, you guys. And I quit my job in March of 14 years. And since then, I've been doing content creation. And I'm so excited to explore different avenues of content creation because I was focused on Bible studies on TikTok, still am. I started a new podcast called Becoming P31 with your host, Jazzy Nicole, where we talk about growing as a woman in Christ. And I'm so excited about that journey, you guys, because as we're working on becoming Proverbs 31 women, we got to make sure that we are talking amongst each other and reaching out to other women who also love God too. I'm really excited about growing more on YouTube. Currently, I'm at 479 followers, and I'm so thankful for each and every one of you. Guys, this journey has been motivating, and watching my faith moves has allowed my daughters to venture out and trust God more and get closer to God. And I think that's the purpose, is for us to call other people to God. Our family, our friends, people who see us in the street, that is our job. And I feel honored to be able to do this. So while you're here, go ahead and hit that subscribe. Join me on that journey. Leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you. And share to your friend if you'd like to. I'll talk to you later. Bye.